If you're asked to simplify this problem, you just need about 5 steps. The first step is to identify some basic formula associated with this problem. For example, 1 minus tan squared theta is the same thing as sec squared theta. That's the first thing you must be familiar with. Then the second thing is that when you have the square root of a number, say a, is the same thing as a to the power of 1 over 2. Do you get? So those are the basic things you need to know. So here we have sine theta square root of, what we have here is 1 minus tan squared theta. And I've just told you that 1 minus tan squared theta is the same thing as sec squared theta. So let's replace this one with sec squared theta. That's pretty simple, right? So the next thing I want to do is that because I'm saying the square root of this particular stuff, what I will change it to, I would say is the same thing as sec squared theta to the power of 1 over 2. I just explained that if I have the square root of a number, say a, is equal to a to the power of 1 over 2. So I have to convert the square root to become the power of this stuff. I'm having a square here. This square can reduce this particular one, leaving us with 1. And sec theta to the power of 1 is same thing as sec theta. So you're just left with sine theta sec theta, right? We've not simplified enough because we need to know what sec theta is all about. Sine theta is balanced, but we need to know what this guy is. So, but we know that if you don't know, let me just tell you, sec theta is the inverse of cos theta. So that means in place of this particular sec theta, I can replace it with inverse of cos theta. Let's do that right away. So I have sine theta multiplied by, in place of this sec theta, I'll have inverse of cos theta. So that keeps this thing very simple. Sine theta times 1 will give us sine theta over cos theta. And this is a formula on its own. Sine theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta. So this is the final answer. I've simplified this to this point. I believe this helps. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, and share this video so that other students will participate in this video tutorial. Peace and love.